can see that we have built a quadcopter and we have attached a food collecting box between under it. The main function of this quadcopter is that it will fly and take this box to the house of a person who had called on helpline number and collect food. The main thing about this drone is that it can automatically calculate the amount and quality of food. As soon as it has collected the food, it will use its GPS navigation system and will come back to this hub and drop this package into this like this. And by this hub, the people present in this hub can distribute the food to the needy and poor people.
So this hub has two sections. First for the human beings and second for the animals. Which food is proper and eatable will given to the